the last video, we've talked about the special formula with like this one, the special formula. Why? Because we just only use these tiny things. Then we can get what? We can get the how many roots does equation have? See? And that's amazing. And what's more, now the second question wants us to work out the solution, work out the roots, right? Because we have got the roots, so now we have to substantiate them. And the first one, wait for be deleted. The first one, still the same. If we want the x, because we know the x equals to this one, right? And what we need to do is replace the a, b, and c into the formula here. And what is b? It's 2. What is a? Negative 1 over 2. And what's c? C is 4. And therefore, we can get what we can get. One of our equation is 5.6464, right? It's nearly, maybe, yes, it's nearly about 1.646, 464, but it's for the minus one, right? Because here is minus. But what if we replace it as plus? If it's plus, it becomes, oh wait, what is negative? Oh, it's 5.464. And what if it's add is negative 1.464? See? And as we got this one, delete, we go to the next one. Here. For this one, the x must be, and delete this one. Here we can get that there's no b, and there's no primary term coefficient. This, so it's just so official. Let me just say there's no b. Okay, there's no b. And for the a is 1. A is 1, right? And for c is also 1. And therefore, I think maybe we have to change this into maybe like plus a. It's indefinite. And what about minus? A minus is still undefined. And why? Yeah, because we told before that this one is less than 0. What means if a number that under the square roots is under the 0, it doesn't have the real number solution. Therefore, this formula, this equation doesn't touch the x-axis. Let me show you. See? Its vertex, it's the lowest point is 0, 1. He can't touch this one. That means that his y can never equals to 0. Right? And therefore, delete. Here, this one, we know that x, as we told before, still the same. We just have to replace the number in it and delete it. 3, negative 2, and 3. 3, negative 2, and 3. Oh, wait. Let me just shown this. and this shown this one. Okay, and if it's added, if it's added, it's 0.686. Then what about minus? Minus is 2.1186. Let's see. The same. Or maybe I should like this. See, it's the same. And for the last one, it's still the same. I don't have to say much about it, right? This one is -6. This one is whoops. This one is 2. This one is 9/2. And change it into wait a minute, let me just disround this. You can get one of the root is -1.5 and another root is also -1.5, and therefore this equation, it has the roots, but its vertex exactly just touch the x-axis, not pass, and also it didn't touch. It is untouched, maybe. And therefore, these are the second question. As for answer for the second question. As for the third question, some of you may really get the point, right? Because as we told before, is if we really want to write the equations by ourselves, it's still the same. So I will not review it for this one. I will keep it into the next video.